Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Check your Windows 10 build, open Settings System About and verify it's 1809 or newer. Once done, go straight to Settings Gaming. That brings up the Xbox Game Bar panel. Make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account so settings sync and overlays appear. Now toggle the Xbox Game Bar switch to on. This is the first actionable step that enables the overlay and prepares the system for the next configuration. Next, configure how the game bar records and responds. Open the Captures section. Set background recording, maximum clip length, and frame rate so recordings match your goals. Then customize shortcuts. Win plus G opens the overlay, Win plus Alt plus R starts/stops recording, so you can work quickly in-game. Also, make sure Xbox Game Bar is allowed to run in the background and that microphone access is enabled in privacy. Otherwise, voice capture and some widgets won't function. Finally, test the setup. Open a game and press Win plus G. You should see the overlay and widget controls. If recording or overlay fails, update your GPU drivers and run Windows Update, then reboot. Many issues resolve that way. If problems persist, reset the Xbox Game Bar app in Settings Apps, or check Group Policy/Registry if the feature is disabled by admin. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm microphone and background app permissions. Without them, captures and broadcasting won't work correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.